just 6 years old can do this with their mama. If it's 4 years old, matalsik ikaw. Wala ka.
Pork na.
Pork na. It's time for pork. Looks yummy. Episode 2 of Cooking Menudo. That was fast. It's fun cooking like this. I didn't know this cooking is so fun. When I grow up, I will cook like this alone. We need an ingredient, a secret one. Love!
Kala ko ubo.
So it will be more yummier with love. Love is the best thing you could have.
Oo. Do you have love?
Yes,
Saan galing?
ikaw. Yung family ko. Episode 3 of Cooking Menudo. Patis of patis. A little bit of patis. No.
Oh my
I can put by myself. All of it. Okay. Sorry, guys. Episode 4 of Making Menudo. Mama, how will I know if it's done na?
Look
When
for
this is 0?
No. That's not a timer. That's the heat. Look for this tender.
Tender? What is tender?
But this is a pagkukuha. They put all of that.
Yeah. Papa, I cook everything. Yes. La. Remember what I told you in episode 3 or 2? Love is the best thing you could have. episode number 4 of Cooking Method. It's done. It's done. Now it's time to eat. Potato, carrot. I love carrots. But they're not my favorite thing. What do you call that? Hot dog and some corned beef rice. It's still hot.
Malinis na po yun kasi wala po ako tingnan. Pero yung mga co-teachers ko po na maraming po, usually po 5,000, 10,000 na po yung nakatanggap din.
Alam namin sa iskado ng beneficiaries ko. Kasi
I give it a 5 over 5 because the sauce with the hot dog, and with the corned beef, and then with the rice is
may corned beef na lang.
yes, and it yeah, and then together with the texture, the yumminess, and then it melts in your mouth. When you chew it, it's so yummy. Bakit lang?